What's up, you guys? It's your girl Avery, and I'm back again with another video. So basically today I'm coming with you with a little haul. Well, it's a drugstore haul because the Rite Aid near me is going out of business, and so I took this opportunity to pick up some items because everything was 90% off. And I'm so glad I went because I was able to pick up some new stuff, some old stuff I use, and all in all, it was a great shopping experience. I met some pretty cool people that were also in line because I'm pretty sure I was like the youngest person that was buying stuff in the line, and I met some really amazing people. And so I'm just gonna stop talking and we're gonna get right into the video. So basically I broke everything down to like hair, skin, and makeup because it's a big haul, y'all. Like, this is the biggest drugstore haul I've done per se. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the hair because that's the smallest. I'm gonna do smallest to biggest. So with hair, I got scrunchies, like, you know, just some regular old scrunchies, 6-pack. And I asked for scrunchies for Christmas, but I didn't get them because my mom was just like, that's kind of dumb, you can buy it yourself. So I bought them myself. And I also got the Not My Mother's leave-in conditioner because one of my favorite products, and I was actually running out of it like recently, so I bought it and it was all great. Next, with skincare, I got the St. Ives cleansing stick, which I know I'm not supposed to use the St. Ives, like, you know, little like oil, like not oil, like exfoliant, because it like breaks up your skin. So I thought the cleansing stick, because it was a lot smooth, like I looked at it because it was open. I know I shouldn't buy open products, but it was open and I looked at it and it's not as grainy, so I was like, okay, I can deal with that. I also got the Garnier rose water spray because I used a Mario Badescu, and I was just like, well, if I like this, it's a lot cheaper than Mario Badescu, so like, you know, it's always good to catch things on sale. So like, you know, if you want to buy something different, you're not like cheating yourself or something. I bought 2 facial head brushes because my little spin brush, I haven't like changed the heads in a while because I ran out of head brushes, so I got 2 of these. And yeah, gotta keep my skin looking right. I got my Yes To grapefruit facial wipes. I have the tomato ones for like my blackheads and stuff, but I didn't find those in the sale because like everything was really picked over. So I picked up the grapefruit ones. I should have got the carrot ones when I saw them, but like, you know, I like the grapefruit. I hope they're kind of like the Neutrogena grapefruit ones because I use those and those really help my skin a lot too. And plus, I love the smell of grapefruit. And then I got 2 little like baby beauty blenders, like the little drugstore brand of them, because I kind of wanted these, but then I didn't want to buy the beauty blender ones and like pay that much money, so I got these. So I'm gonna get into the meat of this video. Like, there's a lot going on here, so I'm gonna probably start off with the mascaras because I bought about 6 mascaras. Like, you know, I'm gonna be mascaraed out. No, I bought 7. Yeah, I bought 7 mascaras. Ooh, that's a lot. But a couple, like most of them, no, I'm not even gonna lie. Well, yeah, most of them I've never tried. So first I got the CoverGirl So Lashy mascara. I've never tried this. I've seen it, but apparently it's good for all like lash types, and it's supposed to, like, you know, like you're supposed to be able to rotate it or something. Like this, the wand rotates so you can get every lash, so seems pretty cool. Even though this is an OG product, I got the Lots of Lashes mascara. I've never tried it surprisingly, and I picked it up. So And then I also never tried the Falsies Volume Mascara. Like, you know, another thing I could try, because who doesn't want to try mascaras? So I'm gonna try this. And then I believe this was like their brand. Like, I'm not sure if it was like their brand or like it was another like indie brand, but it's like Prestige My Blackest Lashes. It's a volume mascara, so like, I don't know, I might like it, might not. Hopefully if I like it I can find it again, and it's not that expensive. And then I picked up some of my OG products. I got 2 of the L'Oreal Voluminous mascaras because I love these mascaras. I actually keep one in my car because just in case something happens and I need to look cute real quick, just pop on some mascara. And then the Total Tease mascara is actually a dupe for the Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. And I actually got that for the first time for Christmas. So hopefully I can actually test this out and see, like, you know, is it really? And I actually have this, but I don't know where it is. I might have lost it, so always good. Okay, next, I have some e.l.f. products. I have the eyebrow definer kit. It's one of my favorites. I got it in dark because I got dark eyebrows. And it's actually one of my favorites. I haven't run out of my own personal. I haven't run out of the one I use now, and hopefully, like, you know, got some backups. I also got the e.l.f. contour palette. I wanted a powder contour palette because mine is running out, and I don't want to buy an expensive one. So hopefully I can try this one out, and if I like it, it's only what, $5-6. So always in handy. I got another baby skin primer because I lost mine or someone took it, not quite sure. I haven't seen it in a while. It may actually be in my bathroom, but it's actually one of my favorite primers. The scary thing is that when I first tried it, like my old one, it burned my skin, but then like my skin got used to it, I guess. But I really like it because it's so good. I literally can't see my pores afterwards. So this is always good. I picked up some eyeshadows. I picked up relatively the same type of shadows in a sense. Like, I got a bronze shade from the brand Jessie's Girl. Like, I've only seen it in Rite Aid and like other, like, you know, drugstores. But I picked up this. It's a bronze shade. Wet n Wild is another like peachy bronze shade. It doesn't tell what color, like what the name is, but apparently it's really pretty. I wish you guys could see it, but I'm pretty sure no matter how close I bring it to the camera, you're not gonna see it. And then I got 2 Maybelline quads. I believe it's one cracked. I'm not quite sure. It might just be my hair in the way. Hold on. Yeah. I got 2 Expert Wear quads, and Autumn Coppers and Emerald Smokes. So basically I stick around like coppery, bronze, golden shades. This is actually going to be new to me. I've never worn a green, so this is going to be fun. Oh, it tells you how to use it. Okay, might be nice to check out. I got another Jessie Girls thing. It's a white eyeliner because I really wanted a white eyeliner for a long time, because I just like, sometimes you want to do something decorative with your like makeup, and a white liner might help. So picked one of those. And then I got 2 lipsticks. I got Maybelline's Matte in 560, which is raw chocolate, and 660, which is Touch of Spice. Touch of Spice is actually, it's not new to me because it's actually my everyday lipstick. Like, I have a whole bunch of these, and so I decided to pick up like the only one they had left. So I picked that one up, and they usually are like almost like $8. So good thing I picked it up when it was 90% off. And then I decided to try a raw chocolate because I love brown lipsticks, so this is always good. And I believe that is it for my haul. hopefully you saw everything I got. It took me about 2 days. I stood in line for probably an hour and a half to get the bulk of this. So yeah, and then like, you know, some things like, you know, a lot of the makeup was like all around the store because people were like, oh, I don't want this anymore. So like, you basically, like, I don't know, with the baby skin primer, like one lady took it out of her cart because she was just like, I don't think I need this. And then she just like tossed it, and I was just like,
I need this, like this is mine now.
But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I'm pretty sure this is my last video of 2018. So hope you guys have a very nice new year. I might upload one more video, I'm not quite sure. And I know I said before I was going to upload a drive with me, but the files again got corrupted, and I was just like not gonna do that. Like, you know, I've decided just let it go and film this video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. So if you don't see me again to the new year, have a happy and blessed new year, and if I see you before then, see you later.